Hi everyone! So I decided to cut out the mess that I had around here just because it seemed to have focused a lot on the blackberry, and when I watched the video back it seemed that yeah, the focus wasn't on some of the things that I was showing you. So I'm still filming it from the right, which is easier for me to see the monitor and to have the setup like that, but let's see how it goes, and I might change it to the left at some point, but I think today might be and the last video would be a better angle. So anyways, I have last night done the Chelsea illustrations again. I watched the third episode of the Croatia series, and I started doing something which I quite like actually, is the eyelashes that go down like here. Hopefully you can see. So yeah, I quite like it. I don't know why. Sort of that feathery kind of dreamy look. It almost looks a little bit, yeah, kind of like sad or dreamy. So today I want to try a similar thing, but I'm going to use my Dagger brush for that and see how it goes, because it's great for kind of like floral illustrations with grasses and branches, something that's quite thin and elongated. So I thought I'll see how the lashes work with that, but I can double this brush for those two. And then I'm going to get my inspiration from my fashion journal and see what I have here. I haven't done much in here. I think I quite like her face here. So I think I'll try to illustrate that. Let's see if there's anything else. No, the lashes wouldn't be visible here. Okay, so let's do this face right here. Okay, so it's dry now. It actually took very little time, so I should have, or I could have filmed it in real time, but anyhow. So as you can see, it's a very abstract version of the face here, so it's not looking anything like it, except for the angle maybe on the hair or something like that. But yeah, so I quite like using this brush for certain details. The lashes didn't come out exactly how I was hoping. I think I need to play a little bit more with it to get a better control. I find that I sometimes have not enough pigment versus too much water situation. So I wish I could have thinner and stronger tone kind of lines. But anyhow, it was fun, and I also used it in some other areas. As you could see on the cheek, for example, that gave me a nice wide kind of area, which was less controlled. So it's great for this type of a what am I trying to say, for like an abstract and loose piece. So I'm going to go ahead and try to create a few details just to finish it off a little bit more. Something as simple as giving a nice eyeliner, I find always does the trick. And I'm also going to just kind of create a few hair pieces along her forehead and some in certain other areas, just to create that hair texture. Hair is not something I find easy to do because I find it starts to look overworked rather quickly, so I tried to minimize it. Okay, so I've done a few details, just a little bit, not too much, and I think I'm going to leave it at that. And I'll possibly add an earring just to finish it off. And I want to break up this line because it's a bit much, so I'm just going to create a couple more. Okay, so before it gets too much, I'll leave it at that, and that is it. So yeah, it was very quick abstract illustration. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.